Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix if Canva profile photo is not updating. So first you need to go to Canva and sign into your account. Then head over to the bottom left corner and click your profile. From the menu, select your account. Once you're on your account, at the top select your profile. Then under your profile, you can scroll down and you should see your profile photo. So you'll find your current profile picture in the settings. So to replace it, you can click remove photo. Then tap remove photo to confirm, or you can click upload photo, or you can click directly on your existing profile picture. So right here, you can click that camera icon. Now choose the photo you want to use from your computer.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
For example, I'll select this image and click open. So give Canva a moment to upload the new photo. Once it's uploaded, you're all set. So you don't need to click a save button because Canva automatically saves the changes. So you can go back to home and that's it. So your Canva profile picture has been successfully changed. Thank you for watching.